A Surface laptop charger ensures reliable power, fast charging, and uninterrupted productivity anywhere, anytime. My today's video is about top 5 best Surface laptop charger that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Yodzgaco Surface laptop charger. This 65W Surface laptop charger is a reliable and efficient power solution for a wide range of Microsoft Surface devices, including Surface Laptop, Pro, Go, Studio, and Book series. With a 100/240V input and 15V/4A output, it delivers stable and consistent charging performance suitable for both home and travel use. One of its strongest advantages is fast charging capability, powering devices like the Surface Pro 9 up to full in about 1.5 hours, making it significantly more efficient than lower wattage chargers. The additional 5V/1A USB port adds convenience for charging smaller accessories. Safety is well handled with built-in protections against overcharging, overheating, and short circuits, helping to preserve battery health and ensure safe long-term use. Its broad compatibility with multiple Surface models makes it a practical replacement or backup charger. Overall, this charger offers strong performance, dependable safety features, and wide compatibility, making it a solid choice for users needing a fast and reliable Microsoft Surface power adapter. Now our second product is Evgoer Surface laptop charger. This universal 65W Microsoft Surface charger is a compact and efficient power solution designed for almost all Surface devices, including Pro, Laptop, Book, and Go series. Its wide compatibility makes it a convenient all-in-one replacement or travel charger for multiple Microsoft devices. One of its biggest strengths is the ultra-compact design. By integrating the cable and foldable plug into a single unit, it eliminates bulky cords and makes it highly portable, ideal for business trips, commuting, and daily use. The charger is also significantly smaller than the original Microsoft adapter, adding to its travel-friendly appeal. Performance-wise, it delivers fast and efficient charging thanks to high-quality copper wiring and optimized power output. It can charge devices quickly while maintaining stable and reliable performance similar to OEM chargers. Safety is well covered with built-in protections against overcharging, overheating, and short circuits. The magnetic connector and durable build further enhance usability and durability. Overall, this charger offers strong performance, portability, and broad compatibility, making it a practical everyday power solution. Our third product is Yurcipwe Surface laptop charger. This 65W Surface Pro charger is a reliable and efficient power adapter designed for a wide range of Microsoft Surface devices, including Surface Pro, Laptop, Book, Go, and Surface Laptop Studio models. It offers strong compatibility and consistent performance, making it a practical replacement or backup charger for everyday use. Built with high-quality materials, it ensures fast and stable charging without affecting device performance or battery health. The integrated safety system provides protection against overvoltage, overheating, and short circuits, adding confidence during long-term use. The 100/240V input and 15V/4A output deliver solid 65W power, with support for multiple wattage levels depending on the device. An additional USB port is a useful bonus for charging another device simultaneously. Its portable design and magnetic connector make it easy to connect and carry, especially for travel or office setups. Overall, this charger combines safety, compatibility, and convenience, making it a dependable choice for Surface users who need efficient daily charging. Now number 4, Ybruzrub Surface laptop charger. This 65W Surface charger is a reliable and practical power solution for a wide range of Microsoft Surface devices, including Surface Pro, Laptop, Book, Go, and Laptop Studio models. With universal compatibility and stable 15V/4A output, it ensures efficient charging performance suitable for daily office, study, or travel use. The built-in 5V/1A USB port is a convenient addition, allowing users to charge a smartphone or small accessory at the same time, reducing the need for multiple chargers. Its 100/240V input also makes it suitable for international use. Safety is a key strength, with rigorous testing and built-in protection against overvoltage and short circuits, helping protect both the charger and connected devices. The package includes a charger and AC cord, along with a 30-day replacement policy and 1-year guarantee for added peace of mind. Overall, this Surface charger offers solid performance, wide compatibility, and essential safety features, making it a dependable everyday charging option for Microsoft Surface users. And our last choice is Ruilezyo Surface laptop charger. This 65W Surface Pro charger is a versatile and high-performance power adapter designed for a wide range of Microsoft Surface devices, including Surface Pro, Laptop, Book, Go, and Surface Laptop Studio models. Its broad compatibility makes it a convenient all-in-one charging solution for both home and travel use. One of its key strengths is fast charging efficiency, reaching up to 96% performance and capable of fully charging most devices within around 2 hours. It supports multiple power outputs, 65W, 44W, 36W, and 24W, making it adaptable to different Surface models and charging needs. The built-in USB port adds extra convenience, allowing users to charge a phone or secondary device simultaneously. Safety is also well addressed with integrated IC chip protection against overheating, overload, and short circuits, along with a heat dissipation system for stable performance. Overall, this charger offers strong compatibility, fast charging speed, and reliable safety features, making it a practical and efficient choice for Microsoft Surface users. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.